Welcome to Papello. In this video, I'll show you how to easily create an order from your Etsy shop, fulfilling a customer's order. Papello integrates seamlessly with Etsy to make the process quick and simple. Let's dive in. If you haven't already, you'll need to connect your Etsy shop. I've created a separate video to guide you through that process, which is linked below. From the dashboard home screen, click on Sales Channels. Here you'll see a list of all your connected marketplaces and shops. Click View Orders to see all the pending orders that need to be fulfilled. You can easily find the order you'd like Papello to handle by using the search bar or scrolling through the list. Once you've found it, click View Order to see more details. This screen displays the Etsy purchase details, including any selected variations and the sale price. For this request, the customer has ordered a mounted framed poster. I'll match it by clicking Choose Product to select the corresponding item from our catalog. From the pop-up window, I can use the search bar, filters, and category drop-downs to quickly find the product that matches the one I sold on Etsy. Once I've found it, I'll click Select Product to add it to my basket. From the Etsy details, I can see this customer has chosen a black picture frame. Once the product is in my basket, I'll select the frame color variation to match their preference. Next, we'll add the artwork. On Papello, you can upload personalized designs, illustrations, or photographs, like this stunning image of Paris. The print quality indicator confirms that the image quality is excellent, but I'll also double-check that the size is a perfect fit for the product. I can see that the image isn't quite the right size for this product, but that's no problem. I can use the editing tools to quickly adjust it, either by dragging the image into place or using the alignment tool. The red lines mark the safe zone, ensuring all important parts of the image stay within this area. The green lines show the overall image size. Once you're happy, click Save. Now that everything looks correct, we can move on to the shipping address. You'll notice that the customer's shipping details are already pre-filled, taken directly from the Etsy order. The only thing left to do here is select a shipping method before continuing to payment. Now we can review the order summary, a quick final check to make sure everything is correct. We also have the option to include a packing slip or a personalized gift note before securely completing the payment. That's it. Creating an order from your Etsy shop with Papello is simple and seamless. From product selection to payment, we've got everything covered to help you fulfill your orders with ease. When we ship your order, we'll automatically update your Etsy shop, completing the order and providing the tracking details in your Etsy dashboard. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!